Mokokchungde Inter-District Government Higher Secondary School aro Government High School Tournament 2026 khiliade Dimapur pa 7ta gold medals, ekta silver aro ekta bronze jitigina overall champion dolushe. Idu sal tournament do District Education Office Mokokchung pa Imkongmer Sports Complex the host krishi kundu 2 din kane samagra shiksha Nagaland pra fund krishi. 2 din thagya laga tournament de 17 districts pra 600 national athletes aishe kun khan pra track aro field event alak te compete krishi. Tournament laga overall champion de Kohima pa second place lushe 4ta gold 2ta silver aro ekta bronze inega hoigina host district Mokokchung pa third aishe 2ta gold 4ta silver aro 5ta bronze jitigina inega hoigina best boy athlete award to jene boto laga student Aaron pra paishe aro best girl athlete to Dimapur laga Nishe Mwanyu konyak paishe. Tournament laga closing ceremony de Mokokchung Deputy Commissioner Ajit Kumar Verma pa guest of honor kuidishe aro students majide tournament thagya homoy teamwork resilience aro winning mindset laga role opode khota korise.
The result was 1 goal. The third position. Any guesses who is going to pick up this big trophy? The result of the overall champion for the Inter-District Government High School and Higher Secondary School Tournament 2026 goes to Dimapur District.
For participating in this wonderful event. अपनी खान सब दूर पर आए बिना इनका participate कर बिना event successful करा तो विशेष खुशी पाया से. And I am thankful to our principal director for coming personally. Also yesterday honorable advisor sir, he came to inaugurate the event. So itu लगा भी इतना खुशी जना दिया से. We are thankful this administration and entire district department is happy that this event has been organized here. आज ही लगा significance मोहल्ला principal director साहब पूरा भी कोई से आज लगा chair पूरा भी कोई से you know that this kind of events are very instrumental in empowering the students for providing the exposure at the sports as well as the other kind of features like team spirit अपनी खान competitiveness among the various students, the positive attitude for winning, especially the continuous efforts, team efforts, itu khan kane bisi important ase. So from my side as a DC, I want to congratulate all the winners and also as well as all the participants because coordination of participation is more important than winning. Mohan participate, Dimapur pura, Kohima pura, Aigna inka participate pura, so bisi challenging ase. So the participation is more important than winning. तो अपनी खाने का पार्टिसिपेट करा तो बीसी इम्पोर्टेंट ऐसे सिग्निफिकेंट एक तास है. You know nowadays under Samagra Shiksha, when we talk about the education is a very holistic term. It includes the various aspects of the personality development, including the sports as well as the other extracurricular activities, which ensure that overall development of a student is in place. So for that purpose, under the Samagra Shiksha, Department of School Education is taking various initiatives. One of them is the sport, others are They are trying to provide the IT education. They are trying to provide the vocational education. They are trying to include the, you can say, different expert teachers. Even they are trying to include cover the students who are having the difficulties in various kind of physical activities. You can say the differently able children also. So nowadays education challenge is to include all the section of the society and to cover all the aspects which are crucial for developing the personality of our students. Because tomorrow you are the one who will be going to decide the future. You are the one who will be having the planning and drafting the plans and policies for the district as well as the state. Itu la event to be important ase, and sports is one of the stream that department is targeting. Mogan PD Sarpura college na education Mugala school sports policy be under consideration ase. That will bring more clarity about the various activities of the sport in the various schools. Itu I think department is taking a lot of steps to ensure that our young generations are getting desired exposure to the various aspects which will decide, not limited to reading and literacy, because these are the basic things that are supposed to be given to all the eligible people. But apart from that, the additional features and the important aspect that also been taken care, I think that's very crucial, and we are happy as a district, we are happy to receive those things.